Looking for a new gaming monitor but not sure which one to pick? Today we're comparing two very different monitors, the budget-friendly Xiaomi G24i and the high-end LG Ultragear 27GR95QE. Let's see which one fits your needs. The Xiaomi G24i is a 24-inch monitor with a full HD resolution. It runs in 180Hz with a 1 millisecond response time. It uses an IPS panel with 99% sRGB color coverage and gets about 250 nits brightness. The LG is a 27-inch OLED beast. It pushes 1440p resolution at a crazy 240Hz refresh rate. Response time, just 0.03 milliseconds. That's 30 times faster. It covers 98.5% of the wider DCI P3 color space and has an infinite contrast ratio. For gaming, both work well but at different levels. The Xiaomi handles fast games smoothly with its 180Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync, great for casual and mid-level competitive gaming. No ghosting issues thanks to that 1 millisecond response time. The LG is built for serious gamers. The OLED panel means perfect blacks and instant pixel response, colors pop like nothing else, and the 240Hz refresh rate makes everything buttery smooth. If you play competitive shooters or want the best visuals in single-player games, this is it. The LG does have one weakness: brightness. It only hits about 200 nits in regular use, which is pretty dim. The Xiaomi actually gets brighter for daytime gaming. Here's where things get interesting. The Xiaomi costs around $130, that's budget-friendly for most gamers. The LG launched at around $1,000 but now sells for around $800. That's a huge jump in price. So, which one should you buy? If you're on a tight budget or just getting into PC gaming, the Xiaomi G24i gives you solid performance without breaking the bank. It's a smart choice for most people. But if you want the absolute best image quality and have money to spend, the LG Ultragear delivers on amazing experience. Those deep blacks and smooth motion are hard to beat. Your call depends on your wallet and how serious you are about gaming. Both are good monitors, just for different people.